Hey everyone, welcome back to US Car Media, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest cars on the market. Today, we're taking a look at a vehicle that's redefining the family SUV, the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander. Now, Toyota's Highlander has always been a fan favorite, but let's be honest, some folks just wanted more. More space, more comfort, and maybe even a bit more power. That's where the Grand Highlander comes in. So, does this extended version of the beloved Highlander live up to the hype? Is it just a stretched-out version of the standard model, or is Toyota giving us something truly special? Well, stick around because we're breaking it all down, inside, outside, under the hood and beyond. Right off the bat, let's talk about the styling. The 2026 Grand Highlander has a bolder, more rugged look than its smaller sibling. Toyota has tweaked the front grille, giving it a wider, more prominent stance, almost like a baby Sequoia. The headlights are now sleeker, with ultra-sharp LED daytime running lights that make sure everyone knows you're rolling in something premium. But it's not just about looks. Toyota has worked on aerodynamics too. The sculpted lines down the sides help with efficiency, and even though it's a large SUV, it doesn't feel like a boxy tank. The longer wheelbase really stands out when you see it in person, giving it that commanding presence on the road. And then there are the wheels. Depending on the trim, you can get 18-inch alloys on the base model or upgrade to gorgeous 20-inch wheels on the Platinum Edition. They fill out the wheel wells nicely and make the Grand Highlander look even more upscale. Oh, and let's not forget about the color options. Toyota's offering a deep midnight blue, a sleek magnetic gray, and even a new copper metallic that'll turn heads in the grocery store parking lot. Now, let's step inside because this is where Toyota really went all out. The Grand Highlander isn't just about adding more space. It's about making every seat the best seat in the house. First off, the materials feel premium. Soft-touch leather on the seats, wood grain accents on the higher trims, and even the base models come with a nice, high-quality finish. But let's talk about the real reason families love this SUV, the space. Unlike the standard Highlander, the third row here is actually usable. We're talking real legroom, not just a token bench for the kids. Even adults can ride back there comfortably, and if you opt for the captain's chairs in the second row, it makes for an almost luxury SUV experience. Technology-wise, Toyota isn't messing around. You get a massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen that's crisp, responsive, and finally as smooth as some of its luxury competitors. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and there's even an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster to complete the high-tech vibe. For families on the go, Toyota threw in plenty of USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and even a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. And for long road trips, the available JBL 11-speaker premium sound system turns this into a rolling concert hall. Trust me, this thing is made for road trip warriors. Alright, let's talk power. The 2026 Grand Highlander gives you options, and I love that. The standard engine is a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder, producing 265 horsepower. It's solid, enough power for highway merging, towing up to 5,000 pounds and keeping things efficient. But if you want something even more impressive, Toyota's got you covered with the Hybrid Max system. This beast combines a 2.4-liter turbo engine with electric motors for a whopping 362 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this isn't just a family SUV, it's a sleeper performance SUV that'll surprise you when you hit the gas. And the best part? Even with that power, the Hybrid Max still manages great fuel economy for its class, hovering around 27 mpg combined. So, whether you're looking for efficiency or some extra punch, Toyota's giving you a choice that fits your needs. Alright, let's sum it up with the pros and cons. Overall, the Grand Highlander is an absolute win for families who need that extra space without sacrificing style, performance, or fuel efficiency. The Highlander has been a staple in American driveways for over 2 decades. It's one of Toyota's best-selling SUVs, and for good reason: reliability, comfort, and practicality. But the Grand Highlander? That takes things to the next level. With its blend of hybrid tech, spacious luxury, and Toyota's legendary durability, this thing is poised to be a top seller. And let's be real, families need good 3-row options that don't feel like minivans, and the Grand Highlander is filling that gap perfectly. As we look to the future, Toyota's already pushing hybrid and electric tech further, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see a full electric version of the Grand Highlander within the next few years. The demand for bigger, fuel-efficient family SUVs isn't slowing down anytime soon, and Toyota is clearly listening to what buyers want. So, what do you think? Does the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander check all the boxes for you? Would you pick this over a Kia Telluride, Hyundai Palisade, or even an Explorer? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you love deep dives into modern cars, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more automotive content coming your way. Thanks for watching US Car Media, and I'll see you in the next one.